Hello, good morning, students. Today's transcription number 82 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Madam, the unemployment question is a very vital question in the country, and though the government has been telling us what steps and measures are being taken, yet unemployment is increasing year after year. In the rural areas, unemployment and underemployment both are there. In the urban areas, those who get only some education do not get any employment. But in the rural areas, this is a chronic disease. I am stressing on the agricultural labor. While giving his views on some of the points in the general discussion on the budget, our esteemed friend Shri Khandubhai Desai stressed upon agricultural labor. It is a very chronic problem. Agricultural labor forms a very vital part of our rural population. They have no land, and those who have land employ the labor to their advantage. Agricultural labor is such that for employment it always depends upon other people. When the laborers get some employment on big farms, they get some job for their livelihood. But for all the year they are not getting employment, though the government is proclaiming so many land reforms, land sealing, and so many things as being introduced. But everywhere you find a large number of village population. They have to run from place to place. Some honorable members complained that they are coming to towns and cities to create problems. If they do not come to towns, where should they go? Unless they are employed, unless they are economically settled, they have to find some employment somewhere for themselves. So they are running from place to place. I know about my own state. From my neighboring state, people are running there. Some get employment as tea garden labor, some in road works, some as rickshaw pullers. Their people are running from place to place, but proper employment is not there. If this chronic disease is not manfully taken care of by the government, boldly taken care of by the government, if concrete schemes are not put up, and if people are not employed in them, we cannot boast of our democracy. We cannot say that we are doing so many things for creating employment. You know that there is the question of rural electrification, but what is being done? Here, our minister was telling about 45 pilot projects that are there, but what are they for this vast country? What can be done by these projects?